बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अच्छा, अब हम अगर प्लेटलेट के डिसफंक्शन वाले डिसऑर्डर्स को देखें जो इनहेरिटेड हैं, जो कि बहुत रेयर हैं, तो उसमें भी है बर्नार्ड शॉलर एंड ग्लांज़मैन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी गोइंग टू लुक एट ग्लांज़मैन थ्रोम्बोस्थेनिया, GT, ग्लांज़मैन थ्रोम्बोस्थेनिया. So what happens in Glanzmann thrombasthenia? Basically, platelet aggregation is affected. That platelets cannot adhere to each other. There are two things. There's aggregation, there's adherence. Adherence is with the endothelium. Adherence also requires one Willebrand factor, but aggregation requires the glycoproteins. It requires glycoprotein 2B and 3A. So what happens in this case, that these glycoproteins receptors, they are non-functioning. Why? Because of missense mutations, ITGA2B and ITGB3. Because of these missense mutation, platelet aggregation is impaired, and because of that, the basic hemostatic plug is not formed. So if that doesn't occur, then how will proper hemostasis occur? It won't be possible. So primary hemostasis is defective. So because of that, this disease presents in early childhood. Now what happens to the mother? So basically, this is a disorder which itself is rare, but it has a significant risk of PPH and even intrapartum bleed. So in this case, we can do prophylactic management. In all other diseases, prophylactic management is not stressed upon, but in this case, you can give HLA matched platelet transfusions or recombinant factor 8A at delivery or before delivery. So you can give platelet transfusions and factor 8A. Desmopressin, what will be the role of desmopressin? Desmopressin has no role in this case because in this case the receptor is defective. There is nothing wrong with 1 Willebrand factor or with factor 8. Okay, and also tranexamic acid, we can give transamine prophylactically from the onset of labor, and we can continue it until lochia are minimal in the postpartum period. So this was the summary of management of Glanzmann thrombasthenia.